Viva Cordia. It's the 31st of December 2024, New Year's Eve. Not far off midnight, so I'd like to wish everyone who watches this video a very happy new year. But the reason I wanted to make this video is on this day in 1964, my brother Ciaran was born, and sadly Ciaran passed away 2 months later as a cot death following February. But there's a photograph of 4-year-old me holding the new baby, but all through my life I've been very conscious of Ciaran, my brother, so that when I had a son I had no hesitation about naming him after my brother. Had the original Ciarán Giolla Ruaidh lived, he would be 60 today. It would have been his 60th birthday. So 4 years ago, when I turned 60, I composed this piece of music in the week of my birthday, and I called it appropriately enough Anois Tá. Now I am 60, so I would like to perform this for my brother Ciaran. Labra honna agus aflin fi basha dit a linnet Ciarán, and Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you.